Alright, I know this doesn't all fit in frame, but the gun itself should. So, yeah, this is the second unboxing I'm doing today. I'm not sure how to open this thing, guess I'll just cut it. Again, I got this off of eBay. And I think I got it the same place as the Sima. I didn't really know that, but it's got that same little sticker thing in there. But it's wrapped up in a priority mail envelope. I think that's what this is. Pull that out over the end. And here it is. A little shotgun. I picked this up for, I think it was like 10 bucks on eBay. I've just been buying all sorts of stuff off eBay lately, just because it's cheap and kind of cool. And doesn't really say anything on this label. First impression is it actually feels solid. I mean, just as solid as any flea market cheap little spring gun, but it feels more solid than the Sima did, and definitely more than the UK Arms 215 AF did. Sounds good. Obviously made in China, but I don't really know too much about this, and I'm not going to pretend to, because I just got it out of the package. But it feels pretty good. It's a little small. My hand's back here. It kind of wants to like go up into this. It's a little weird, but it'll work. Not very big. I mean, here's my hand, and covers a good bit. It's an iPhone, so I mean, it's 17 inches long, I think. I guess the BBs go in here. I'm not really sure. Another really little pack of sample BBs. Gonna stick one in there. Should try it out.